Alright, y'all, here we are continuing our 12 days of Christmas. And for the second day, we are going to be doing homemade cranberry sauce. It's quick, it's simple, and it's a lot better than anything you could buy at the store. For this, we got 12 ounces of cranberries, sugar, and brown sugar. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright, y'all, so we're going to start with 12 ounces of cranberries. We've gone ahead and rinsed them off. We're going to take a half a cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. We're also going to take 3/4 of a cup of water. Then we're going to put this on a medium heat. And we're going to stir. Just get everything mixed up. And you'll want to continue to stir this occasionally. But we're going to go ahead and put a lid on top of this, because once those cranberries are cooked, they're going to start popping, and that's how we know it's done. And once this comes up to a simmer, it'll take about 12 to 15 minutes to cook it into our cranberry sauce. Again, just remembering to stir occasionally. Alright, after about 10 to 15 minutes, we've got it's thickened up, the cranberries have began to pop. We're going to remove this from heat. And you have multiple options that you can do right here. If you prefer a jellied cranberry sauce, you can go ahead, if you have an immersion blender, go ahead and do that. You can also throw it in a blender. Now, I want a little more of a whole berry sauce, right? A little more texture to it. And the berries have pretty much broke themselves up pretty good already. I just want to go I'm just going to take a potato masher and make sure everything is broke up just about how I want. Like I said, this is dealer's choice. Now we're going to go ahead and move this to whatever serving dish we're going to put it in. Alright, y'all. So we have it in our dish that we're going to be serving it in. We're going to let it cool down for at least, a half hour. You can serve this warm. You can serve this cold. It'll store in the fridge for about a week. But there we have it, homemade cranberry sauce, a great addition to any holiday table. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here YouTube thinks you should watch it. Until next time, keep on cooking on.